with our latest content. So, what exactly is STK? In a nutshell, it's advanced software designed to model and analyze objects in space and time. Imagine a digital sandbox where you can create and manipulate satellites, rockets, and even entire constellations of spacecraft. STK lets you see where these objects are, where they're going, and how they interact with each other. It's like having X-ray vision for space. This is incredibly valuable for anyone involved in space missions. Whether you're launching a new satellite or managing a fleet of them, STK helps you make informed decisions, reduce risks, and ensure mission success. It's used by scientists, engineers, and military planners all over the world. And the best part, STK is constantly evolving with new features and capabilities being added all the time. It's a tool that's always staying ahead of the curve. STK has a rich history dating back to the early days of space exploration. It all started in the 1980s when a company called Analytical Graphics Inc., AGI, set out to create a better way to model and simulate space systems. Their goal was to develop software that was both powerful and easy to use, and they succeeded. Over the years, STK has become the industry standard for space mission planning and analysis. It has been used in countless missions, from launching the Hubble Space Telescope to exploring the surface of Mars. Today, STK continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in space. It's a testament to the power of human ingenuity and our endless fascination with the cosmos. Now let's dive into some of the amazing features that make STK so powerful. First off, STK has incredible visualization capabilities. It can create stunning 3D models of Earth and other celestial bodies, complete with realistic terrain, atmospheres, and lighting effects. You can zoom in and out, rotate the view, and even see things from a satellite's perspective. Talk about a cosmic joyride. But STK is much more than just a pretty picture. It's packed with sophisticated analysis tools. You can use it to calculate orbits, predict satellite coverage, analyze communications links, and assess threats to your spacecraft. STK can even simulate the effects of space weather, like solar flares and radiation belts. It's like having a crystal ball for space. Space is a harsh environment. Satellites have to endure extreme temperatures, radiation, and the constant bombardment of micrometeoroids. Plus, they have to operate autonomously millions of miles from Earth. That's why reliability is absolutely crucial for any space mission, and that's where STK really shines. By simulating missions in detail, STK helps identify potential problems before they happen. It's like a virtual test range for your spacecraft. You can use STK to test different scenarios, tweak your designs, and make sure your mission is as robust as possible. This saves time, money, and reduces the risk of costly failures. Remember, in space, there are no do-overs. Section 6 Eyes in the Sky, EO/IR/SAR, Seeing the Unseen. Now let's talk about how we actually see what's happening in space and on Earth from way up high. Satellites use special sensors called payloads to collect information. Three of the most common types of payloads are electro-optical, or EO, infrared, or IR, and radar, specifically synthetic aperture radar, or SAR. EO sensors are like our eyes in space. They capture images in visible light, just like a digital camera. IR sensors, on the other hand, detect heat. They can see through clouds and even at night, which is super useful for tracking things like forest fires and volcanic eruptions. SR is a special type of radar that uses radio waves to create detailed images of the Earth's surface. It can penetrate clouds, foliage, and even the ground, making it ideal for applications like mapping, surveillance, and disaster monitoring. STK allows us to simulate all of these sensor types so we can see how they would perform in different scenarios. and ethically. Future for humanity among the stars. Section 9, ready to explore unlocking the power of STK. So there you have it. STK is an incredibly powerful tool that's changing the way we explore space and protect our planet. It allows us to visualize the invisible, analyze the complex, and make informed decisions that impact our world. If you're interested in learning more about STK, there are tons of resources available online. You can visit the AGI website, explore online tutorials, or even download a free trial version of the software. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next space pioneer to unlock the power of STK. Keep looking up and never stop exploring the wonders of the universe.